Today, I will show you how I do keyword research to rank my videos on YouTube quickly and easily, step by step. This is the same method I use to rake in thousands of views and sometimes hundreds of thousands of views and even millions of views. And so if people go to YouTube and search for cure weak erection, you will notice my videos are all over the place, and this is because these videos are optimized for search in order to pull in search traffic. I get what we call video keywords, phrases, 2-3 words or thereabout that best describe your video. I get one video keyword, which is like a phrase. This is different from video tags. If I come into this video here, in short tutorial 2023 is my video keywords. If I scroll down to the bottom, you see all these phrases here. These are video tags. To optimize my video properly, I need to do keyword research to get my primary video keywords. There are several advanced ways to do keyword research. However, for me, I keep it very simple. I use browser extensions and other tools like TubeBuddy, vidIQ, YouTube, and Google drop-down auto suggestion. And this is the rule I give to my students. You only spend few minutes in keyword research. If it's more than, let's say, 5 to 10 minutes, then you are overdoing it. Secondly, don't bother about advanced things like keyword difficulty, competition, long tail, keyword scores, and keyword rank. No. Because when all is said and done, the video content itself is the most important ranking factor. And usually I start with the YouTube and Google drop-down auto suggestion. This tells you the words and phrases people are typing when searching for things. So I will want to optimize my videos with the exact words people are searching with and typing in their search box. This way, when they search with those exact words, the YouTube algorithm will match them with my videos containing those exact words. If I want to make a tutorial on how to use the InShot app, I first come to the search box and start typing InShot. I will look down and see all of these drop-down suggestions to look for which of the phrases best describes the video I am working on. So for this now, it will be InShot tutorial. Same thing, if I go to Google, I will take note of the Google drop-down auto suggestion. And I have signed up for both TubeBuddy and vidIQ, which are YouTube management tools, software and apps. If you go to tubebuddy.com/askdrmalik, also go to vidiq.com/askdrmalik, you can sign up, link with your YouTube channel, download the browser extensions for your laptop or your desktop. You will be able to see browser extension icon here for TubeBuddy and browser extension icon here for vidIQ. And when you come to YouTube, and automatically some features, like for this is for vidIQ, is automatically added here, and then for TubeBuddy some features are automatically added here. This will help me with my keyword research. If I click on this TubeBuddy icon and I go to tools, you see Keyword Explorer. I launch Keyword Explorer. I'll start typing the word or phrases I'm working on, the video I'm working on. InShot, again, it starts bringing down some drop down tutorial. What I am doing now is to see if it has search volume. So if I go to InShot tutorial and I click explore, it says search volume is fair. I want the search volume to be good enough. Other persons go into competitions and optimization strength. I don't bother so much about that. Since the search volume is fair, I will see how I will tweak my primary keyword to get even better. InShot tutorials for beginners. Let me see. The search volume is very good. The competition is good. The optimization strength is excellent. So InShot tutorial for beginners is a great keyword for the video I want to make. Or I could just decide to tweak it even more and say, let's say 2023 explore. The search volume is also good. Competition is very good. Optimization strength is excellent. And the overall score is excellent. This is another great keyword I could use. So you could go around putting things in front of the keyword or the words that you have or after the words and see how the search volume, most importantly, is. Make sure that it is good, very good, or excellent. And now this is time to use my primary keyword that I've gotten to naturally optimize my video. And I do my keyword research before I even start shooting, because I would want to, number one, verbally mention the keyword at the beginning of my video. If you remember, for this video, I started this video by saying, today I will show you how to do keyword research and rank your videos. That was deliberate because I have keyword research and ranking your videos as keywords that I want to use to optimize this particular video. Mention your keyword verbally at the beginning of your video. It could be exact or at least similar. So I could start my videos this way. In this InShot tutorial for beginners, this is an InShot tutorials for beginners. Number 2, save your video file with the primary keyword. When you are done editing your video in your editing app or software and you're about saving it, try to save your video files using your primary keyword exactly, or at least in similar forms. For this video, if you see the name of the file, it says InShot tutorial. So this is also some minor factors that will help the YouTube algorithm to understand what the video is about. Number 3, add your keywords if possible on your thumbnail. So in the text on your thumbnail, you could add your keyword. For me, it didn't really flow here because I want to create some level of curiosity. However, if it works for you, you could come in here and say InShot tutorial. Save your thumbnails with your keywords as the file name. For example, I use Canva here, and here I'm supposed to save the thumbnail. I quickly wrote InShot tutorial. This way, not only my video file is saved as InShot tutorials, but my thumbnail file is also saved as InShot tutorials. Make sure your keyword is in one form or the other in your title. How I edit videos using my phone, in bracket InShot tutorial 2023. So it mustn't be exactly the same if it is possible. If it's not possible, you could leave it out. Add your keyword in the description in this InShot tutorial, and then I said variations like and the InShot video editing app. This works for 2023 and beyond, so I am playing with the phrase InShot tutorial 2023. Make sure that the keyword is in your tags and variations are in your tag. They might not mean that much, but they are minor signals to the algorithm. InShot tutorial and then InShot tutorial 2023 and different variations, especially from the drop down auto suggestion I got from YouTube and Google. Create a playlist with the keywords. Now that doesn't work for me, especially for this video. If it works for you, come here and create a new playlist and call it InShot tutorial, especially if you have other videos that could fall under that playlist. So again, another very minor trigger is to create a playlist with that keyword and then put your video in that playlist. Drop a comment using your keywords and pin the comment. So if you come down to this video on InShot tutorial, the comment section here, you see, do you already use the InShot editing app? So InShot is there again. It might not be exactly the same thing. It has to be natural and it has to flow. It takes about 3 months or thereabout for videos to start ranking. The algorithm and the spiders will crawl. They will index it before it starts ranking. Again, the most important factor when it comes to ranking is how great your content is. Do people love your content? Do they find it valuable? And then do people enjoy your content? If after doing all of these, you have a crappy and poor content or doesn't get to retain the people and keep the audience to watch a good part of your video, then all that we have just done is useless. If you find this video very helpful, hit the like button, stay subscribed to this channel, and click here to watch this video that the YouTube algorithm is suggesting. They think you need to watch this video, so do it to click it and watch it. Play big, and I'll see you in the next one.